Hello everyone, welcome to Family Storytime. I'm Miss Jackie at the Lakeville District Library, and today we're going to read some really fun books all about pets. I bet a lot of you have pets at home. Well, today's stories involve dogs and cats. We're going to learn some new sign language and sing some fun songs. Let's start out with our hello song, and if you remember the sign language, do it along with me. If you'll remember, this is the sign for hello. Here we go. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Well, let's start off with our first book. This, again, like I said, is a brand new book here at the library, and it's called Charlie Chooses. It's written by Lou Peacock and illustrated by Nicola Slater, and I'm reading it with permission from Nosy. This has some really cute pictures of dogs in it, so if you like dogs, I think you're going to like this book. Charlie did not like to choose. He never knew what was best. He's trying to decide what to wear outside, it looks like. And Charlie was always worried that he might choose the wrong thing. Oh no, he needs a raincoat like this little girl. Uh-oh, poor Charlie. He could never choose between chocolate ice cream and vanilla ice cream, which sometimes meant he had no ice cream at all. Oh. He couldn't choose between polka dot underwear and striped underwear, so often he did the easiest thing and wore no underwear at all. Oh no! And bedtime was never easy. Light off, light on, light off, light on. I can't choose, said Charlie. It's too hard. So sometimes he didn't sleep at all. Poor Charlie knew he would never be able to choose a present for his birthday, so he looked through a book for inspiration. The book was full of ideas. This is the Big Book of Perfect Presents. A banana. Do you think that would make a good present? A race car, a top hat, a hot dog, an ant farm, a teddy bear, a guitar, a bucket, a fancy dessert, a button, a pair of socks. Oh no. I can't choose, said Charlie. It's too hard. Charlie sat down on a park bench. Suddenly, slap! Rescue dogs, big and small, come to the shelter. It was like a paper slapped him in the face. He had an idea. That's it, said Charlie. A dog. A dog is a perfect present. And off he went to the animal shelter. The animal shelter was full of dogs. Wow, look at all those dogs. Dog rescue. Which one would you choose out of all those dogs? They're all so cute. There were small dogs and tall dogs, fluffy dogs and scruffy dogs, white dogs and black dogs, merry dogs and hairy dogs, floppy dogs and happy dogs, long dogs and strong dogs, old dogs and bold dogs, and every other kind of dog. I can't choose, whispered Charlie. It's too hard. He started to leave. Oh, poor Charlie. He doesn't look very happy. But then something waggy and shaggy, and mostly white, but a little bit of brown, scampered and jumped and dug a very big hole under the fence. and ran and ran and ran. Right into Charlie's arms. "Oh," said Charlie, "I don't have to choose because this dog has chosen me." Now Charlie has someone who helps him choose ice cream and pick the perfect underwear. And when it's bedtime, Charlie knows exactly what to do. Light off and dog on the bed. Now all Charlie has to do is choose a name. Oh no, look at all these name ideas. There's Pebbles and Sunny, Lucky, Rusty, Toto, Pickles. There's a lot. And it looks like his puppy chose for him. It says Sparky on the paper, on his nose. So that is Sparky. The end. Oh, I love that book. It was so much fun. So why don't we learn the sign for dog? All you have to do, and it's very easy, you slap your leg and snap. And that is the sign for dog. Try it with me. Here we go. Dog. Very good. The next song we're going to sing is all about a little dog named Bingo. Have you heard the song? I bet you have. It goes, "There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o." Can you sing it along with me? Let's try this. Here we go. Okay, here we go. There was a farmer, had a dog, Bingo was his name-o, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o. That's a fun song to sing. So now we are going to read a book about cats. And this is another brand new book. It's called Bad Cat. It's by Nicola O'Byrne. And I'm reading it again with permission from Nosy Crow. Okay, let's meet this cat. "Hello, my little fluffykins. How are you today? Do you like my flowers?" Does he look like he likes the flowers? Oh. Fluffykins. Uh-oh. Please be careful with the flowers. Fluffykins. Oh, that wasn't very nice. Don't walk away. I think you need to apologize. Oh, look at that mess. Fluffykins. Uh-oh, what does Fluffykins see? Don't you dare touch my knitting. Uh-oh. Fluffykins! Oh no! What a mess! Look at all that yarn. Now that's two things you need to apologize for. Well, come on. I'm waiting. Fluffykins? Doesn't look like Fluffykins is going to apologize, does it? Fluffykins! Oh, look, he's sitting on the computer. What's he doing there? Oh no, he's getting into a lot of trouble. What have you done now? Oh, what's happening in this page? Oh no! Out, out, out. Now go and think about what you've done. Oh, hello, you're back. Is there anything you'd like to say? Uh-oh, Fluffykins is getting all wet. That's very cute, Fluffykins, but you broke a vase, you ruined the knitting, you scratched the sofa, you sat on the computer. You bent the blinds, you did some bad things to the toilet paper, and let's not even talk about the pee. I still need you to apologize. Meow. Thank you, Fluffykins. That wasn't so hard, was it? Now let's clean everything up and forget all about it. Fluffykins. Fluffykins. Bad cat. Oh no. Do you see what's happening in this picture? I just love the way this is drawn. Look, you see the cat. The face is magnified by this bowl of water. And there's the goldfish. He doesn't look very happy, does he? He looks scared. Oh dear. The end. I love the pictures in that book. They're so much fun. Well, this week we're going to give out a little craft to go along with this video. So if you come down to the Lake Villa District Library and ask at the Youth Services Reference Desk, I have some fun little pets that you guys can put together. So there's lots of different kinds, but I'm going to show you 3 of the different pets. Well, I don't know if some of them are pets. Can you tell what that is? I don't think an elephant is a pet, right? But there's a lot of different animals. I give you a few of these to put together. So you can put different eyes on them and accessories. This one, what is that one? It's one of my favorite animals. Do you know what that is? A shark. Look at that one. You can put some cool shades on him. And that one's easy. That one is a lion. So come ask at the Youth Reference Desk. The supplies are limited, so it's just kind of a first come, first served basis, okay? Also, we have a lot of fun programming going on at the Lake Villa District Library, so be sure to check out our website at www.lvdl.org to see what's going on and to sign up for some of the wonderful programs. Well, I hope you enjoyed these books today. Thanks again for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.